Welcome to Welder, 37th week. Topics to be covered are: state the principle of friction welding, explain the method of welding, state the principle of laser beam welding, explain the application of laser beam welding. Laser welding. Laser is the acronym for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Laser welding is a method in which workpiece is melted and joined by narrow beam of intense monochromatic light. Laser beam. When the beam strikes the job, the heat produced melts and fuses even the hardest material. Process. Electrical energy stored in a capacitor bank is discharged into a flash lamp. The stimulating light source, usually in a linear arc discharge lamp such as xenon, argon or krypton gas flash lamp. When the flash lamp fires and then is a powerful burst of light that pumps electron with the light emitted ruby rod to higher than normal energy levels. The light emitted by ruby rod is in pulse and is of single wave length traveling parallel to ruby rod. It goes through a focusing device where it is pinpointed on the workpiece. Fusion takes place and the weld is accomplished. There are three basic types of lasers: A. The solid laser, B. The gas laser, and C. The semiconductor. The figure shown a line diagram of a laser beam welding equipment setup. The light or heat energy is put into a single molecule of a substance, ruby or carbon dioxide, to create the beam. Laser welding applications. Laser welding is used in space aircrafts, electronic industries for thinner section metals and dissimilar metals. Advantages: Number 1. Workpiece does not get hot except at one point. Number 2. The heat affected zone is narrow. Number 3. No electrode filler rod is required. Disadvantages: Number 1. It has high capital and operating cost. Number 2. It needs a skilled operator. Electron beam welding. Introduction. The use of electron beam in industry is relatively new. The need for electron beam welding developed for welding costly metals such as titanium, molybdenum, and tungsten as structural components. Process. Electron beam welding is an automatic welding process performed in a vacuum without a shielding gas. Neither an electrode nor a filler rod is used. In the electron beam process, electrons are emitted from the heated filament called the cathode and then focused into a beam which is directed at the welding point. When the beam strikes the welding point, the kinetic energy of the high-speed electrons is converted into heat. The heat is great enough to melt and fuse the metal. The speeds of electron in electron beam welding ranges from 48,000 km per second to 1,92,000 km per second depending upon the voltage of the unit. Electron beam welding equipments. An electron beam welding machine consists basically of the following components. Number 1. Electron beam gun. A. Tungsten filament. B. Anode. C. Cathode. And D. Focusing coil. Number 2. A vacuum chamber. Number 3. A transport system. All these equipments you can see in the figure given. Electron beam welding equipments. Electron beam gun. Most electron beam guns used are triode type. It consists of A. Tungsten filament, B. Anode, C. Cathode, and D. Focusing coil. Electrons carry a negative charge and are repelled by the cathode electrode and are made to pass through the central hole of the anode, that is positive. Vacuum chamber. The vacuum chamber is operated in conjunction with pumps and a pumping system to control the vacuum environment. The size and design of the vacuum chamber used in electron beam welding will depend on the dimension of the weldment. Description of equipment and welding procedure. Figure shown an electron beam welding equipment / setup. The machine has a chamber in which a filament is used. The filament gives off a stream of electrons. These electrons from emitter passes through an anode, column, valve, diaphragm and then passes through an electromagnetic called magnetic lens. Transport system. Each machine is equipped with some form of transfer system to provide movement from the gun and work. These systems are usually driven by DC motors, which controls position, location and velocities of both the gun and the work. Advantages and disadvantages of electron beam welding. Advantages. Number 1. The weld zone and heat affected zone are relatively small in electron beam welding. Number 2. Distortion affects only a very small area. Number 3. Extremely successful in achieving deep penetration. Number 4. On steel plate, 100 mm thick welds can be made in one pass at a speed of 170 mm per minute with penetration. Number 5. No porosity and contaminations. Disadvantages: the cost of the equipment is high. Number 2. Obstructed joints can't be welded because electron beam travels in straight line. Number 3. Job is limited in size as per the work chamber dimensions. Thank you.